Okay, this quick little video is to just show you how to assign substitutes to someone who is going to be gone. And let's start with just someone who is sick and they call you in the morning and you need to find subs. So what you're going to do is go to subform, type subform in, and it's the folder that we want. When you open the folder, you'll find master sublist. Now the reason that you open the folder is that if you need to see someone's schedule, you can always find it within the department here, and that way you'll know exactly what subs they need in case they aren't able to tell you what classes they have. So if you open up the sub list, you'll see that here in the first column we have who the sub is, the days that they're available, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and then when you enter something into this part, you will enter the date that they're subbing and who they're subbing for. So for instance, Dana was sick on the 18th of September. So Allison covered her first period class, her second period class, Václav covered her homeroom, etc. Okay, so make sure you fill that in. Notice that the tabs are periods 1 through 4, periods 5 through 8, green Wednesdays, and silver Wednesdays. Okay, and if you want to see the whole list, you can look at this last one. It just kind of gives the times in case we have an elementary school issue. That's what you'll do. So sign them up. Now, if someone in your department is going to be absent, for instance, Phil knows he's going to be absent on the 20th and the 21st, and he can come on this list and find his subs and just make sure he does the same thing. Put the date and who that person is subbing for. So Katja is subbing for Phil on the 20th and the 21st. So it's shared with everybody. Everybody should have access to this particular folder. They should be able to go in and make whatever arrangements they need. Just make sure that they contact the person who is going to be covering for them. Okay? Hope that does everything you need for that.